Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can run TikTok ads from any country, anywhere. So first of all, I'm going to install the VPN, free VPN Chrome extension. So we need to install this one as sometimes TikTok not open on the laptop devices. Click add extension. After installation, here we can pin it at the top. Now let me turn it on. Click here continue button, then start, then after that again click here cross button. Now let me select this one, then after that turn it on. Now let me go and type TikTok, then open this platform. Now on the left side, here you can see this one is the dashboard. Click here login button. Then after that again you can select one of the option. So let me use this one. Click sign up. Then you can easily create your account with Facebook, with Google. Also you can manually use this one. And now the next step is we need to create the TikTok ads account. Here you can go and type TikTok ads manager. Then after that here you can see this platform, this website ads.tiktok.com. Then after that scroll down, click here get started. Then again click here get started. Now scroll down, here you will get sign up with TikTok. So before that we need to accept terms and conditions. This one, select this box. Then sign up with TikTok. Then scroll down, here you can see different permissions that you can allow. After that click here continue button. Okay, that's done. Now you need to fill out this form. Then select this box, then click here continue button. Now TikTok ads account is ready. Now the next step is we need to add the campaign. Here we can create a new campaign. So here you can select the goals. What you want to get video views, interaction and traffic. So first option is recommended, but if you are using e-commerce then you can select the second option from here. Then you can select the TikTok shop website conversion. So I want to select this one, basic option, then scroll down. After that here you can select the estimated budget. You have 3 default options. So here we have another option that allows us to add the custom budget. So let me click here continue button. Okay, this one you can easily select your audience. Also you can control that audience who can see this ad. Then you can select the campaign name, for example premium 1. Then after that select continue button. Now here you can add the destination URL. One of the most important thing is that you can add the website link. You cannot directly add the product link. Now scroll down, here you can add the videos and images for the ad. So click here plus button. After that you need to select the video. You can also select the image. Okay, make sure that whatever you are adding here, before that you need to add that to the library. So let me go, and after that select this one, then upload, then click here confirm button. Now scroll down. Here you can see different options. You can add some text, for example mobile stand. Then click here this one. Here you can see different buttons. So if you don't want to add these extra buttons, then just you can uncheck. So let me just keep this one order now. Here you can see this one is also recommended shop now button. You can also do that. After that click here publish button. So when you select this option, then it will ask you add billing details and many more. Okay, now you need to add the billing information. Just you need to add the text ID, that is optional. Then you need to add the country region. Okay, now the next step is we have completed this one, billing information. Now we need to add the payment details. You can use NayaPay, SadaPay, whatever bank account you want to use, but make sure that your VPN should be turned on. Otherwise your ATM cards can be declined and you can face different type of issues. Then scroll down. Now here you need to add the billing information, and after that click submit button.